Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am joining in the hashtag Stamping Sunday hosted by Temu and Craftin' by the Pond. I will link both of their channels down below. Here is the project that I created. I was able to stamp the leaves, and I have two different stamps that I used here. I also stamped out this happy birthday, and on the inside I also stamped this birthday sentiment. Let me show you the supplies that I used to create this card. For these sunflowers that I absolutely love, I used a lot of foam tape on some of them to give them dimension. They're cut so nicely. I picked these up in a Temu haul, and I can link that video up above. These are the dies for that. For the stems of the flowers, I used Trendy Twine's Twisted Lime. For this happy birthday stamp, I used the Dorsorella Stamps Birthday Wishes. For the inside stamp, I used the My Craft Spot Birthday Wishes Hugs and Kisses. The first stamp that I used to create these leaves is from this stamp set. This is from Little Inker Designs, and I used this leaf right here. I stamped that ink using this Hero Arts, I believe it is, yes, Hero Arts, the Forever Green. And then I did a second layer for more detail. I don't know who this stamp set is from. I picked it up off of AliExpress a couple of years ago. I used this teeny tiny leaf here. I did add some liquid pearls on the stems where the stem meets the leaves, and this is the color that I used, Garden. And I also used some stickles for the flowers. Use the icicles platinum. That's my project for today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day.